Good morning, flippin' friends. It is 7:30. I just got my son off to school. It's time to figure out this backsplash. Here's the backsplash. Mosaic tile. It's got glass, stone, and metal, and it's on this handy mesh. I have scraped all of the glue off of where the backsplash is going to go on the wall. It's important to have a clean surface. Just in case it's not all the way clean, I'm going to use this problem surface sealer. I am not affiliated or anything with this brand. I'm just going to use it because it's something and I need to get it done. So it has been really hard to get this project to where I can work on it. We are going to get the problem surface sealer painted on today, and I'm going to be watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos on how to install this tile. One thing I don't like about this tile is the fact that the lines will be clearly visible. When you do a tile job, no tile company will ever make your wall look like this. So I want to figure out a way to hide that. Wish me luck on that. After watching a few tips for 30 minutes, I now know that I bought the cheapest tile set that you could possibly get, and there might not be any way to avoid the big line without extra work on our part. Yay! So my daughter's awake. I don't want to do this I don't want to paint the problem surface sealer onto the wall while she's awake. I just don't know what's in it. I want to make sure she's not breathing it at all. Yeah, guard the 2-year-old. Will I be wearing a respirator while I paint this? Probably not, but I'm gonna protect my daughter. I should probably protect myself. Yes, self-care while you're doing some of these projects. Use the proper equipment. That's a good idea. Yeah. Okay. Advice to myself. Advice. Am I gonna take it? Yeah, sure. I'm gonna totally wear a respirator. Yep, gonna. Well, on the warnings on the back, it doesn't say you should wear a respirator. It just says allow adequate ventilation. I definitely want to make sure we're safe here. Yeah. It's neat that it's going to go on milky white and then dry clear. So I like that. I also have to show you mail. This I got from the Roots and Refuge farm. When they were doing their 500,000 subscribers, they gave a coupon code for their shop. So I went over, grabbed some stickers for our giveaway. When we reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to give away some of these stickers. Well, yes, I'm going to keep some, but we're going to look at them together. I will keep 3 and I will give away the rest of them. How about that? Okay? Does that sound fair? Okay, let's check out what's in this mail. Okay, let's see. Dun, 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 dun. How pretty. The best medicine for the garden is the gardener. Oh, thank you for your purchase. I don't know if this one is a sticker. I think that's just a I don't know. But this is the sticker pack. Life is best lived in rose-colored glasses. Oh, excuse me, I'm just going to open this up real fast. One-handed opening. Woohoo, okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have Life is best lived in rose-colored glasses. Isn't that cute? Live Epic. I think that is their new tree at the new farm. Sunflower. If you know Jess at all, you know her sunflowers. Ooh. I'd pick you. That's so cute. Locked and Loaded. Got her goatees. Oh, how pretty. I like this one. And this one says, don't mind me, just pruning the grass. So, out of all of these, I will keep 3, and I will give away the rest of them for our 200 subscriber giveaway. And it will be a surprise as to which ones I get to keep and which ones I give away. I'm just going to put them all in a bag and draw the winner and draw one out of the bag. And that winner will get the one I draw. What do you think about that? That's so cute. In other news, we have cleared a closet. It is all the way cleared and ready for whoever's going to buy this house. This is the guest bedroom. It had a ton of storage, mostly all our old military gear. So I packed up the spare bedroom. I feel like we are packing in reverse order from a camping trip. Normally a camping trip we would need a couple clothes and our blankets and pillows and just the necessities. Those are things that I'm going to leave for last because we'll take those and need them first. This spare bedroom is slowly getting emptied. I have a couple knickknacks and things around that need to get packed up still, but studio and spare bedroom, 2 places that we barely go often. Working on places that don't see the light of day very often first, and then working into the main areas. There's a girl. There's my girl. Beep, 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 beep. All right. Well, it is the next day. I didn't get to update you yesterday because things got a little busy, but it is primed and ready. And since it dried clear, you can barely tell that we did anything. I am so close to putting up this tile. I hope you enjoyed this part of the adventure, and I'll see you on the next one where we put the tile up. Thank you, my friends. Goodbye.